Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let's scrap a memory. Y'all stay tuned. So for those of you who have been with me through any holiday season, you know that I always like to create what I call a scrapboard, and it's a scrapbook page mounted on chipboard. And it's very multifunctional and a wonderful way of scrapping a fond memory of a loved one, a friend, a family, whomever. Here is the type of project that we're doing today for Valentine's 2020. It is an 8x8 scrapboard, and I have decorated it using some of the gold leaf puffies that I got from Tuesday Morning, and then some of the red puffy stickers, and then stickers. And that's typically the way that I decorate these boards. I use mats, and then I do a lot of decorating with the stickers. So I am going to show you right now how easy it is to make this wonderful board. So to make the project, we need a piece of 8x8 chipboard, and I'm using a medium weight. If you want to use some other type of board, you are certainly free to do that, but I am using a medium weight 8x8 board. Then I have a piece of decorative paper that measures 10 by 10. And for my mats, I have a 3 by 3 and then a 2.5 by 2.5. And for my larger mat, I have a 4 by 5. And for the white space on that mat, I have a 4.5 by 3.5 inch mat. And then to cover the back, I have a piece that measures 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. And then I've got an array of stickers that I'll be using to decorate this project. Okay, and the first thing that I did was I ran my front and back pieces through my Xyron Creatopia, and that is the 12 by 12 sticker maker that Xyron came out with, maybe 8 years ago. But I have one of those, and I love it because I can actually mount 12 by 12 pieces and just cover the entire back in adhesive. And I'll have the name listed in the description. They don't make it anymore, but you can probably find some of them for sale on eBay or other places that sell used craft items like that. So now all I need to do is lift this off, and the back is completely covered in adhesive. And I'll just take my board and place it down. And now we just need to fold over and crease all of our edges. So I'll come back and I'll miter cut in all of my corners. And now I can come back and just take my ends, fold them over, and get them stuck down. And I like to use my sticker maker when I'm making larger projects like this, but you can certainly glue or tape like we always do. Okay, so there's my front, and I love the way that that looks. So I am going to come back with my 7 3/4 by 7 3/4 inch piece, and I am just going to place that down, try to get it nice and straight. And there I've got a fully covered back. You can decorate the back if you want, and you can also decorate the back if you like. I tend to only work with the front, but you can certainly do the back. So I think that I want my stripes going this way, and I'm going to be working with this sticker sheet, and it's from Echo Park, and I am going to take this border piece here because that's the piece that I want to use on this paper to kind of make a distinction in breaking up the whole look of the board. So I'll just lay it down like that. I'll come back, and I am going to trim off this end, and then I'll trim off this end. And now I can take this and just take that extra, put it back down, and I'll be able to use it later. So now we have our board, and so at this point I like to decide where I'm going to place my mats. And this time I think that I want to place a mat here, and then I'm going to place one up here. So I'm going to come back with my tape runner, put tape on the back of my mat, And then I'll get this stuck down and centered, hopefully. And then I'll come back again and go on the back side and get that stuck down. So I'm going to take this, position it, about right here. And then I'll come back with my little 3x3 mat and take my 2.5 by 2.5 inch piece, cover it in some tape, and get it centered on this piece. Then I'll flip it over and we'll get that back side covered in tape. And now I can take this and I am just going to put it right up here. And I get a lot of questions about what do you do with these boards? Frame them. You can place them on an easel and set them on a mantle. You can put them in a scrapbook. There are so many things that you can do with them. And the way that I just put this picture down, you don't necessarily have to tape your pictures down. You can use a paper clip so that you can come back and just add a whole series of pictures, completely up to you. There are so many different things that you can do with your board. And I get a lot of questions saying, can I do this or can I do that? And my answer when I get a can I question is always going to be do what you want. It's your craft, and if you feel like doing it, it's not wrong. Do it. Okay, so now that I have my mats down, I'm going to bring my sticker sheet back in because I really want to use the stickers on this to decorate because I think it's just so gorgeous. And I want to have that pink and black and white theme just carried throughout this particular project. So here I've got my forever, and so I am going to come back with some of the little stamps that were on there, and I think that they are just adorable. Guys, these are so cute and they look so cute on this board. It is really shaping up. So now I've got some focal elements on my board. I can come back and just really kind of dress this up and bling it out however I want. So I am going to come back with this particular sticker that says with love, and I'm going to place it right down here. And then I'm going to take two of the little hearts to frame that out. So I'm going to place a heart right there, and then a heart right over here, just to kind of frame it. And you can see that this cutie is starting to really take shape, guys. It is gorgeous. And so I like this little butterfly sticker. So I am going to take the butterfly and just join these two mats together so it just brings them all together. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to come back, pick up one of these stickers, place that up there because it's going to tie everything together. So now we have a board that looks like this, and I think what I want to do at this point is come back with a few of my flat back pearls, and I'm just going to put them down just to give this some more dimension. So I'm going to come back with my bright pink flat back pearls. Okay, and then finally here at the bottom, I think I'm going to take just a little pink heart that was in the pack, place it right there, and then I'm going to frame it out using a couple of flat backs. And there we have it, guys. I think that this is just absolutely cute. So I'm going to bring the other one back in so you can see both of these, and you can see that they are just so stinking cute, guys, and so much fun to make and so quick and easy to make. You can see that it didn't take us any time at all to put together this darling little page that is perfect to scrapbook that memory. So guys, I hope that you have liked this wonderful little project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.